Hello, this is Opinion Radar. As a mom always on the lookout for activities that blend creativity with connection, I'm thrilled to share our experience with the Joy&Grace large flower press kit. It's more than just a craft supply. It's become a portal for my family to slow down and appreciate the simple, fleeting beauty of nature together. In a world of fast-paced digital entertainment, finding something tangible that captures the kids' attention and gets us all outdoors is a genuine treasure. This review is all about how this $31 kit transformed our seasonal walks and living room table into a workshop for preserving memories. I'll walk you through why it's captured our hearts, not just as a one-time project, but as a new tradition we look forward to with each changing season. It's about the magic of turning a handful of petals into something lasting. All right, let me tell you all about this Joy&Grace flower press kit that's become a bit of a star in our house lately. You know how kids love picking dandelions, little wildflowers, or even pretty leaves on a walk? It always made me a little sad that those treasures would wilt so quickly. This kit solves that perfectly. It's this beautiful wooden press that looks nice enough to leave out on a shelf in our craft corner. It has a lovely floral design on the mahogany colored cover. But more importantly, it comes with absolutely everything to get started: special pressing paper, cardboard separators, a little album to store the dried flowers, even tweezers and scissors. I didn't have to hunt for a single extra supply, which, as any busy parent knows, is a huge win. What I really love is how it's designed for both adults and kids to use. It's incredibly simple. You layer the flowers between the papers and cardboard, screw the bolts down, and wait. My daughter, who's 7, can do it almost entirely by herself with just a little supervision. We've used it for homeschool science, talking about plant parts and how drying works, but mostly it's just been pure, creative fun. One weekend, we pressed a whole batch of pansies from our garden and some ferns from a hike. The press is large, about 11 inches square, so it can handle big blooms like hydrangeas or sunflowers, which is fantastic. Having 10 layers means you can do a massive variety at once, which keeps the interest high. No one wants to wait weeks just to press 3 flowers. The results have been genuinely impressive. We're not professionals, just a family having fun, but the flowers are coming out flat, vibrant, and perfectly preserved. The quality feels solid and durable. It's not a flimsy toy. It's something I can see us using for years, for every season: spring blossoms, summer wildflowers, stunning autumn leaves. I also think it's a brilliant way to preserve memories. We pressed flowers for my mother's garden visit, and now we have a keepsake. It encourages the kids to be observant and curious about nature, to really look at the details of a petal or a leaf. It gets them outside, exploring and collecting, which is a wonderful alternative to screen time. It's also sparked so many project ideas beyond just collecting. The dried flowers are so pretty and versatile. We've used them to decorate homemade cards for grandparents, glued them onto picture frames, and even pressed them into clear contact paper to make sun catchers. The included album is perfect for storing them until we're inspired. I can see this being an endless source for handmade, thoughtful gifts. A pressed flower bookmark for a teacher, a decorated candle holder for a friend. The possibilities feel endless and really let the kids' imaginations run wild. It's a craft that doesn't end with the pressing, it's just the beginning. Now, I do have one tiny, honest observation, more of a suggestion than a con. The kit comes with one set of long bolts, which work great when the press is full. But if you're only doing a few layers, the bolts stick out quite a bit. It would be wonderful if a second, shorter set of bolts were included for those smaller pressing sessions to make it a bit neater and easier to store when not completely full. That said, it doesn't hinder the function at all. It's a minor thing in the grand scheme of a product that otherwise feels very complete and well thought out. Overall, if you're looking for a quality, engaging, and beautiful activity to do with your children, I can't recommend this enough. It's educational, creative, and builds lovely traditions. It would make a truly special gift for a birthday or a holiday, the kind of gift that keeps giving as you create through the seasons. It's reasonably priced for everything you get, and it just works beautifully. Watching my kids carefully arrange their floral finds, then the excitement weeks later when we open the press to reveal the dried treasures, it's been a simple joy. This kit has turned our nature walks into little adventures and given us a way to hold onto a bit of that magic. If you enjoyed seeing how this kit helps us press our memories, please press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more creative family adventures. I'd love to share what we blossom into next together. Thanks so much for watching.